What if I told you the same language used to build Instagram, automate space missions, and power artificial intelligence can be learned by you starting today? Welcome to AI and Digital Skills Hub, where we make tech simple and powerful. In this video, let's explore what Python is, why it's so popular, and write your very first line of code. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's beginner-friendly, meaning you can focus on solving problems, not memorizing complex syntax. Python is used in nearly every tech field today, from web development with frameworks like Django and Flask, to AI and machine learning with TensorFlow and PyTorch, to automation, data analysis, and even cybersecurity. Python's power lies in its versatility. One language, endless opportunities. It's used by top companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. Learning Python opens doors to AI, app development, data science, and even freelancing. And the best part, it's easy to start with, even if you've never coded before. To get started, head over to python.org, download Python for your system, and follow the simple installation steps. Once installed, open your favorite code editor, like VS Code or Idle, and you're ready to write your first program. To get started, head over to python.org, download Python for your system, and follow the simple installation steps. Once installed, open your favorite code editor, like VS Code or Idle, and you're ready to write your first program. Now, let's write your very first Python program. Type exactly this: print hello world, then run your file, and there it is. Your computer just executed your first command. Congratulations, you've officially written your first Python program. In this short video, you've learned what Python is, why it's powerful, and even written your first line of code. This is just the beginning. In the next lesson, we'll dive into variables, data types, and inputs to start building real logic in Python.